Welcome back to my next video class. In the first and second video classes, we have discussed about tenses. In this class, I am going to discuss about articles. Dear students, we have three articles in English language, or there are three articles in English language. English ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು articles ಇದಾವೆ. They are a, an and the. A, an and the. These are the three articles in English language. There are three articles in English language. They are a, an and the. Dear students, again we divide articles into two types. ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಎರಡು ವಿಧಗಳಾಗಿ ಎರಡು ಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ವಿಂಗಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಅವುಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ indefinite articles, which is the definite article. Listen here. Which are the indefinite articles, which is the definite article, which is the definite article, because there is only one definite article, that is the. Or the is the definite article, and remaining a and an are the indefinite articles. A and an are the indefinite articles. The is the definite article, and a and an are the indefinite articles. There are three articles. They are a, an and the. We divide articles into two types: definite article and indefinite articles. The is the definite article, a and an are the indefinite articles. Here, where we have to use articles, here we have definition. An article is used before a noun or nouns equivalent. A noun or nouns equivalent, and also we use article in the type of adjectives. Here, a common noun in singular number always requires an article. A common noun in singular always requires an article. For example, I saw a snake. I saw a snake. Here, articles are used before a noun or noun equivalents and are type of adjectives. A common noun in singular number always requires an article. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಬಲೈಸ್? ಎ ಏನನ್ನು ಸಿಂಬಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯನ್ ಏನನ್ನು ಸಿಂಬಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಂಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ. Here, a symbolizes one, singular. A symbolizes one. A man, a table, a pencil, a piece of chalk, like this. A symbolizes one, singular. One means singular. Ondu anta. A man. A men anta. We can't say a men because men is plural. A pen. We can say a pen. We can't say a pens. A and an should not use it before plurals. Plural ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು a ಮತ್ತು an ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. We use a and an according to the situations before a singular noun or nouns equivalent. Here a symbolizes one, singular, and also an symbolizes one, singular. A is used in different situations, an is used in different situations. A is used before a consonant. ವ್ಯಂಜನ ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ an is used before a vowel or a vowel sound. ಆ್ಯನನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವೊವೆಲ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಥವಾ ವೊವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯನನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಎ ಪೆನ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, you can see here a pen. We can't say a pens. A should not use it before plurals. A book, we can't say a books. A table, we can say a table because this is consonant. A pen, a book, a table. Next, we use an before a vowel or vowel sound. Which are the vowels? In English language, we have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Remaining letters are consonants. A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels in English. Here we have an example where we have to use an. Already I have explained an is used before a vowel or a vowel sound. Vowel ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ vowel sound ಇರಬೇಕು. vowel ಇದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆ್ಯನನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎಸ್ vowel sound. ಅಲ್ಲಿ vowel sound ಕೂಡ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಆ್ಯನನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲೈಸಸ್, ಆ್ಯನ್ ಡಿನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೀನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್. ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್, ಆ್ಯನ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್, like this. But in special cases means in different situations we have to use a and an vice versa. ತದ್ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ವರ್ಡ್ ಎ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್, ಎ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ I have used a or a or a. Here I have used a university, a or a. A European. Why I have used a? Is it wrong? No. This is absolutely right, because here we have vowel E, European, a European, but here we have vowel, but also there is consonant sound. That's why we must use a before European. A European. My friend is a European. Not my friend is an European. We can't say like this. A European ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, because there is consonant sound. Here we have vowel U. Already I have explained A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. But we must use a university. My cousin is studying in a university. My sister is studying in a university. Not in an university. ಆಗ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಎ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್, ಎ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್. Here an hour, an honest, an hour. Here H is mute. Here we have vowel sound. That's why we must use an honest. For example, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is an honest man. Is an honest man. Is an honest. An honest, because there is vowel sound. An hour. I will be there within an hour, because there is vowel sound. Next, here we have different cases. An MLA, an MP, an IPS officer. Annamalai is an IPS officer, not is a. is an IPS, is an IPS officer. My friend is an MLA, MLA is an MLA, because here we have vowel sound. ಅಲ್ಲಿ vowel sound ಇದೆ. Next, an MP. He is an MP, an MP, an IPS, an IAS, like this. Once again, I am concluding where we have to use indefinite articles a and an. A ಮತ್ತು an ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. A symbolizes one, singular. An also symbolizes one, singular. But a is used before consonants, an is used before vowels, and there should be vowel sound. Vowels ಇದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು an ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, vowel ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೊವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೊವೆಲ್ ಇದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೊವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೊವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯನನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಪೆನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್, ಎ ಬುಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್, ಎ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ವೊವೆಲ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೊವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಆ್ಯನ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೊವೆಲ್, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೊವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಆ್ಯನ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್, here we have vowel and also we have vowel sound, like this. Next, I am going to discuss about definite article the or the. We can say the or the. Where we have to use the definite article the. ದಾನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ನ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Dear students, next I am going to explain about the definite article the, where we have to use the as a definite article. ನಾವು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದಾನ ಯಾವ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. Here we have some rules where we must use the definite article the. The first rule is we have to use the name in front of names of rivers, seas and oceans. We use the as a definite article in front of names of rivers, seas, oceans. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Hemavati, names of seas, Arabian Sea, ocean, the Pacific Ocean, like this. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean, like this. We use the in front of names of rivers, seas and oceans. Next, we use the in front of names of newspapers. For example, you can see English newspapers names. For example, the Times of India, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Chronicle, the Prajavani, the Vijayavani, etc. We use the as a definite article in front of names of newspapers. The Times of India, the Hindu, the Deccan Herald, the Prajavani, Kannada newspaper, the Vijayavani, when we are writing in English, not in Kannada. There we must use the as a definite article. Next, we must use the as a definite article when we are using names of holy books. For holy books, holy books means sacred. They are related to religion and culture, like this. For example, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran, etc. We use the as a definite article in front of names of holy books. Holy books means they are related to religion and cultural background. The Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, etc. Next, we use the is a definite article in front of ordinal numbers. When we are studying mathematics, we use ordinal numbers, odd numbers like this. Which are the ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers mean first, second, third, fourth, fifth ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡಿನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಡಿನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means the first, the second, the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, etc. For example, the first prize goes to Raju. Next, the second prize goes to Ramya, like this. The first position, the second position, the third position, we say like this. We use the as a definite article when we are using ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ, ಎರಡನೆಯ, ಮೂರನೆಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like this. We must use article the before ordinal numbers. Next, dear students, we use the as a definite article, the as a definite article in front of names of directions. Names of directions. Which are the directions? We have 8 directions. For example, east, west, south, north, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. In this situation, we use the as a definite article in front of names of directions. Directions na ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ದ ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಸೌತ್, ದ ನಾರ್ತ್, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ನಾರ್ತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ಸೌತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದ ಸನ್ ರೈಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west, in the west, like this. Next, we use the as a definite article in front of names of unique things. Unique things, stagnant. They will be moving, but they are always same in size. For example, sun, moon. Moon will not change in its size. Sun will not change in its size. Earth will not change in its size, like this. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, etc. The earth, the stars, like this. These are all unique things. We use the in front of unique things. Next, we use the as a definite article in front of musical instruments. Musical instruments. Which are the musical instruments? For example, the violin, the guitar, the piano, the tabla, etc. We use the as a definite article. Next, dear students, we use the as a definite article in front of names of countries. Not all the countries. The country's name which begins, for example, abbreviation. USA, the USA. For example, the United States of America, the UK. UK means the United Kingdom. The USSR, like this. Okay. Next, we have to use the as a definite article in front of superlative degree. When we are using superlative degree, we must use the as a definite article. Superlative degree means, for example, we have 3 degrees of comparison. You have heard, you have learnt in high school level: positive, comparative, superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Biggest is the superlative degree. Tall, taller, tallest. Tallest is the superlative degree. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Most beautiful is the superlative degree. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Most beautiful. Most ugliest. Like this. These are the superlative degree. Raju is the tallest student in the classroom ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The tallest. Next, she is the most beautiful. She is the most beautiful girl in the class. Poverty is the most ugliest form of a thing. Poverty is the most ugliest form in the society ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Like this. Next, we use the as a definite article in front of Union territories. For example, the Andaman and Nicobar, like this. Next, we use the in specific situations when we are talking about a particular thing. There we have to use the as a definite articles. Once again I am concluding where we have to use the. Already I have explained the rules where we have to use the as a definite article, and also I have already explained about a and an indefinite articles. The is the definite article, a and an are the indefinite articles. Already I have explained where we have to use a. A is used before a consonant, an is used before a vowel. There must be a vowel sound. Vowel idda takshana use ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, vowel sound ಇರಬೇಕು. Next, I have explained about definite article the, where we have to use the. In these situations we have to use the as a definite article. Thank you.